Yo, December 31, 2025, last day of the year. And all we wanna do is make it count.
Hi bro!
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, brother.
Meeting na ha.
Love you.
Okay. Soy, Happy New Year. Ikot ako. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Pumunta lang tayo sa office sa HQ. Appreciate lang natin yun. Sobrang ganda na energy. Wow! Thank you 2025. Sobrang blessing. Blessing magkaroon ng headquarters, ng office na nag-house sa lahat ng mas maraming tao. All that.